and employees, fellow workers in the judiciary. I want to take this opportunity to address some matters of great concern to the Court and to the Office of the Chief Justice. Reports yesterday confirmed the mobilization of a secret plan to oust me from office by any means, fair or foul. A few days ago, as you all know, I was content to let things pass in the spirit of peace and in the spirit of business. Today, however, with the discovery of this scheme that will destroy our democracy, I am forced to call upon you to remain ready and vigilant. My silence does not mean anything more than caution and patience. Let no one mistake my silence as a sign of weakness. I have been quietly preparing and will be ready to take more determined steps in the coming days. I want all of you to know that your Chief Justice continues to be in command and will lead the fight against any and all who dare to destroy the court and the independence of the judiciary. We do not want to see a constitutional crisis befall our democracy. But if we are challenged to defend our independence, we shall not meekly walk away. In the words of Jose Rizal, it is a useless life that is not consecrated to a great idea. It is like a stone wasted on the field without becoming a part of any edifice, and our system of justice under the Constitution. My fellow court workers, we stand together. Good day to all of you, and may God continue to bless all of us.